This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rename file or folder on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. It's possible that the first time you make a new folder, you won't choose the appropriate name for it. Renaming files and folders is a simple task, but there are several methods to achieve this depending on their preference and the maximum number of files you need to rename. So here's comprehensive guide in this video will show you how to rename file or folder on your MacBook. So first of all, you can open our Finder. You can choose on the file or folder that you want to rename. This one, for example, I want to rename this document. So you can just click right on your mouse and you'll find there is an option rename. You can just click on that and you can just rename this document. Or you can just choose on the file or folder that you want to rename. You can click in here. So you'll find option remain. You can just click on that and do the same thing. It's very simple, right? And also if you want to rename a file on your like photo or video, you can also do the same thing. You can just click right or click on the three dots over here, any files and also folder on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? Like this folder, you can rename it by click right or click on three dots over here. So that is how to rename files or folder on Macbook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!